Hello guys, this is Pravin and today I'm going to teach you how to download any ringtone in your iPhone without actually purchasing it. First you need two apps, that is Documents and here that is the Garageband. This Garageband is from the Apple device. It is developed by the Apple. You can get it in the App Store. You have to go to search Garageband. Yes, Garageband. And you can see there's a Garageband, and now you have to download Documents 5, and it will also come here like this one. And what you have to do is go to when you have finished your download, you have to go to Documents, and here you can see a browser option. Slide it, go to YouTube, and you can see here it will come and download any ringtone. Like I'm gonna download Let Me Love You. Ringtone. So it's like this, and you can see there's ringtone will come and search for a particular which you like to download here. Listen
Make this your ringtone by clicking the link in the description.
No, it has sound over first, so we have to download second one. Let's see this one. Like this, put down same. Then do is touch this share button, and you can see this link. You have to copy this link, and go to this one, and again go to Google, or we can download if we have any converter, YouTube converter, and we have to download here. Type here YO to MP3 like this. Now this will come, and you have to download use this one. After you get into this page, insert your downloaded link, copy paste it, and hit convert. It will start your to convert your video to the audio like this. It will download, then do download. Now this menu will come. Okay, done. In the here it will come your download. It is being downloaded. See, it's downloaded. You can listen. Now what you have to do is click this download, click this one, and no, not this one, this three button option, and you have to do is copy to the iCloud, copy to the cloud, and in this way it will come, which is pending. It will be done in a second. Wait for it. Yes, completed. Now you have to go to the Garageband. Go to Garageband. And you have to do is go to create new song. First you have to this will come, create new songs. Options will come. You have got some instruments, and you have to choose audio record voice. And in this step you have to be careful. It can be open, it should be off, and click this option. Yes, if you click this one option, like it will come, and click this one and select from here. import from cloud, and you can see it will bring you to the cloud track. And here this one, let me love you, this one, boot. And now you have to do is click this one and drag it up to here. This will come, and you have to do like this. There is a plus sign here. Click this plus sign and make it up to 15 bars. After you have done this, click done and try to play this one. And you have to do this thing. Click this option, it will show you here my song instruments. Click on my song, it will save your song, this is my song too, and click it here. It will come this one option, go here and scroll it down, ringtone. Click on ringtone and it will pop up this option. No worry, okay, do continue and type the name. And export. Now it will export your ringtone. Just a second. Yeah, okay, use sound as. You have to, what kind of sound you have to play. Choose this one, standard ringtone or standard text tone or just a contact. You select standard ringtone. Now you have done. Go to settings and go to sounds and use the ringtone. See, you got this here, and I have made this of alone marshmallow alone also, shape of you also, and it works. Make sure to subscribe my channel and hit the like button. Thank you, peace.